Good morning, artists. Today is Monday, November the 9th. Please make sure to do the attendance before you do anything else in today's class. Here are your instructions. Number 1, turn in any late work like Ed Puzzle, discussion post, daily work, or project 1. Just because you don't do it doesn't mean it's not due, so please make sure that you do it so that way it will reflect your grade. Number 2, today we will be introduced to project number 2, Nature Mixed Media. Number 3, please review the slideshow, and on Tuesday you will be able to upload your photo or video of what you created. Because it says Tuesday, that means that we are just going to be introduced to the slideshow below, talking about nature and how different artists use cave paintings, as well as natural art or land art to create artworks. In this lesson, you will learn how to create an artwork from nature. It will be called mixed media because you will combine many different natural objects like sticks, leaves, and flowers to make the final picture. The next slideshow tells you more about mixed media. Mixed media is a process of art creation that combine multiple materials or techniques in the final artwork. Some examples can be a collage, which we see over here on the left side. A collage is created on a flat surface like paper, and the final artwork is 2D. You can use items like newspaper, magazines, or found paper, ribbons. Artists can also use found objects, which we see on the right, in mixed media, especially when they are creating concept art. Up here on the very top right says an assemblage is a collage that includes 3D elements, so the final artwork is sculptural, like we see this sculptural artwork right here below. Mixed media art. When you create your nature mixed media art, focus on using shapes and colors in nature to create images. These are important elements of art. And we've learned about both of these. Color we learned about last week, and shape we learned about the week before. Mixed media art. As you use your natural items, think about the space in your artwork. A part that is where the background paper or area is visible is called negative space. A part that is filled up with the natural materials is called the positive space. So, for example, we see right here the bird and the tree would be considered the positive space in the artwork, and the white of the paper, where we don't really see anything on it, would be considered the negative space. The more details you include, the less negative space you will have. I'd like for you to think about gathering these materials, but also be considerate. Breaking off parts of a living plant can damage it, so see what you can find on the ground. If you want to collect a leaf or a bloom, like a flower, that is a living plant, make sure you have permission from the plant's owner. So don't go around your neighborhood just cutting off plants. See what you can find on the ground. Here are some examples of materials: leaves, sticks, other natural items like flowers, and a solid background could be like the pavement on the floor or a sheet of paper. We will talk more about this tomorrow, talking about deciding on your subject matter. Do you want to create a landscape or a portrait? But you are more than welcome to look through the videos so that way you can get some more ideas on what you want to create your artwork on. There are more slideshows, and again, you could look through these on your own, and then tomorrow we will discuss this more. All right, artists, that's all you have to do today, again, is to turn in any late work, do the attendance, and review the slideshow. See y'all later.